And today at Jordan Motorsports in Portland, Oregon, jordanmotorsports.com, so you can check out all the pictures and the details. We bring you another great barn find. A two-owner, since new, 1996 Ford F250, extended cab, long bed, heavy duty, POWERSTROKE, turbo, 7.3 liter, XLT, four-wheel drive, with 74,000 actual miles. Yes, you heard that correct. 74,000 actual miles. Clean title, CARFAX certified. No signs or records of any accidents or damages ever. Factory two-tone, beautiful color combination, and 100% rust-free. And here we go. I'm not just saying that. 74,000 actual miles, 100% rust-free, corrosion-free, surface rust-free. It does not get any cleaner than this. This is another great survivor that you will only find at Jordan Motorsports, where we specialize in low mileage, rust-free, pre-emission, old school trucks. Factory tow mirrors, factory ALCOAS, manual hubs, and we just put a brand new set of 33-inch 285, 75, 16 BF Goodrich KO3s in the 10 plies. Also put brand new headlights, all new bulbs. This truck stands tall. The paint on it is super nice and glossy. There is no fading whatsoever. Everything has been reconditioned and brought back up to life, whatever was needed. There's no major dents or scratches at all, if any. There's no clear coat peeling or fading. There's no oil leaks. Thing drives super nice and straight down the road. This is a non-smoker truck, garage kept, with 74,000 actual miles. This truck has never had a fifth wheel or a gooseneck installed at all. The bed is protected with a spray-in bed liner, a brand new spray-in bed liner. This truck had a canopy, an ugly old canopy with a high top and a drop-in bed liner. We removed the drop-in bed liner, installed a brand new Linux spray-in bed liner. This is what year are we? We're 26 and 30-year-old tailgate that is in new condition, not a dent. Same goes for this bed. It is literally like brand new. There's no dents. There's no cracks, there's no splits. Take a look at how straight the lines are. When I say this is a barn find, this is better than a barn find. Still has the original seals. Take a look at these jambs. Does not get much cleaner or nicer than this. I also installed a brand new rear bumper, so this truck just looks like it is brand new. Brand new license plate, bulbs. The striping on the truck are literally like new. There's a couple minor little scratches I had that touched up. One was right here, and that got touched up, as well as a couple little rock chips right here that got touched up. Factory rear slider, 6-passenger seating. Nothing like these vent windows when you're rolling down the road. The carpet of this truck is literally like brand new, as well as the door panels. And it is very hard to find door panels this clean, not broken, not missing parts, not loose. I'm gonna let the truck speak for itself. Take a look at this dash. When I say it's literally like new, there's no missing pieces, there's no cracks, there's no splitting. Right here, just a tiny bit of discoloration, but the pad is in like new condition. Now, the seats. That's another story in the interior. I mean, there's no wear or tear at all. There's no rips, there's no cigarette burns, there's no beat up foam. I don't think anybody ever sat in the back seats. Let's see, these cup holders still there. Look at that. They're not broken, not missing anything. Not even here. The headliner shows no signs of any sagging, any rips, any tears, any water spots from previous leaks at all. Visors are in excellent shape. The backs of the seats are literally like new. Never had kids in the back ripping on them and pushing on them. It is a great survivor, rust-free, with only 74,000 original documented miles. I do have all the original books and manuals for the truck as well. We did a full service on the truck. And just 10,000 miles ago, the owner had all the fluids replaced and flushed. Transmission fluid, front differential, rear differential, transfer case, and so on and so on and so on. Let's pop the hood. Let's get this thing started so you can hear it. Let's turn the volume down. 75,000, I said 74,000. It has 75,600 miles now. And guess what? Yes, both tanks work. We're gonna switch to the rear tank. I'll switch back to the front one. I don't wanna run out of diesel. Take a look at the driver's door panel. Original, 100%, nothing like it's from grabbing on it over the last 30 years. A little discoloration on the handle, which they all do. If they don't, something is wrong. And let me turn the hazards on. I don't know if I did, so we can check out everything. Yeah. Let's pop the hood. And we just did a fresh service on this thing. Bear with me, let me pop the hood. All right. This is all the original body panels, everything, original hood, insulation, fenders, door support, etc. But it's got a new alternator, new batteries, we got fresh coolant flush, there's no oil leaks, a new starter solenoid. I'm trying to remember now, I should have wrote my cheat note. But there's your other battery. This thing just purrs. There's no surface rust, there's no corrosion underneath it. Filter. This thing is not even broken in yet. We'll leave the hood open, let's check out the lights. Here's the lights, the new headlights. The chrome grille, original chrome grille in excellent condition. Let's check out the tail lights and the turn signals in the back. Look at that bed, I can't get over this bed. We'll close that. There's the license plate bulbs. Nothing like a new bumper. Let's check out the back. Look at this. Like I said, rust free. There's your spare tire. Not making it up. If you've been waiting and looking for the cream of the crop with the low mileage, this is it. Don't settle for any less. Even the door lights are on. The reflectors. I drove this truck, drives phenomenal. I did 70 plus miles an hour in it. Throw mirrors. Well, let's check out the roof paint as well. There we go. Like I said, there is no corrosion, there's no issues. Check out the windows. Look how fast that rolls up. window. All the tracks have been cleaned, lubricated, etc. Whatever is needed has been done. There's the horn, there's the wipers, first speed. Let's go to the second speed, and let's go to the fast. So there's that. We checked out the headlights, we checked out the turn signals. We do have cruise control. And you know, I gotta say, I didn't try the cruise control. There's the door jam. The AC has been serviced after flushing the fluids. We did a fresh AC service and a recharge. So it is ready for those hot summers. We'll test it out. There's the overdrive. Even the column has been lubed up. Instrument cluster lights, as you can see how they light up. Factory original stereo. It still works perfectly. You can find the chisel. This is not a restoration. This is a great survivor. I don't know if the cigarette lighter. Let's test it out. And there's a non-smoker. I'll open the ashtray. There's not a rip. There's not a tear. There's your manual four-wheel drive. Look at that carpet, all-weather mats. Because the cigarette lighter doesn't work. Let's check out this air conditioning. Oh, check. Look at that. They're not broken. Even for your change right here, it's the original one in its place. Well, they don't make pennies anymore, so you won't need the pennies. Look at that. Nothing is broken. Let's see here. Let's straighten the vent out. Like I said, it is blowing cold. Not kidding. You do not get old trucks like this blowing this cold. That just don't happen. It is freezing in here, and that is Fahrenheit, guys. Fahrenheit. That's probably one of the coldest, if not the coldest one I've ever seen. Steering is nice and tight. That's the other thing I gotta say. I mean, it's just, it feels like driving a new truck. It's so nice and tight. So let's turn that off. Here's our books and manuals, etc. This is the real deal. Do not hesitate. Do not snooze on this. Look at that rubber. I can qualify this OBS with 75,000 miles. And I gotta go correct my ad because I'm 1,000 miles off. For new car financing, believe it or not. What that means is I can finance this truck up to 84 months if needed. We can go 72, we can go 60, 48. You can just pay cash. But to the people that don't want to freeze or tie their money up, for the people that don't have the cash and don't want to buy a new truck for $100,000 and don't want to deal with all the emissions and stuff, for the person that wants a super clean, low mileage OBS, you can pay cash, you can finance it. I can finance it up to 84 months, as low as 6.99 on approved credit. Lately, I've had multiple people call me that they have a fresh repo and thinking they're gonna finance and buy this thing. They have 500 credit score. No, I say good credit. So if you're in the mid 600s and up, I can get you possibly done as long as, depending on what's on your credit. I can possibly do it with zero down, maybe 10% down, maybe 20%, maybe more, depending on your credit, depending on your scenario, where do you live, what your sales tax is, etc. I can also help you ship this truck right here, right from my showroom, right to your front door. No matter where you live, whether you're in the United States or Canada, whether you are in New Jersey or Rhode Island or Michigan or Pennsylvania or Chicago or Colorado or Utah or New Mexico or Mississippi or Kansas or Florida. I've been selling a lot of trucks to Florida. Whether you guys are in Los Angeles or California or Washington, D.C. or Washington, Seattle, or in Hawaii or in Alaska, on any of the islands on Hawaii, I can help you ship this truck right to your front door, right from my showroom. I know how shippers work. I know how to vet them, make sure they're insured, bonded. I only work with A+ rated shippers. So we don't have to deal with the brokers and the brain damage. You don't have to worry about your truck getting left at some yard and switch between loads and etc. No, we will get it handled. I've transported thousands of trucks in and out. Very familiar with the transport game, and I will get you handled. We are Jordan Motorsports. This is what we specialize in. Not everything I have is online, so do not hesitate to reach out and call the dealership, 503-213-4434. Visit our website at jordanmotorsports.com. I'm gonna show this, a parking lot full of trucks. You might see on my website, 15, 18, 19, I got a parking lot full of trucks. This is a lot of pictures that I take, a lot of details, and it takes time. And hey, I sell a lot of stuff before it even makes it to the website. So reach out, let me know what you're looking for. My name is Ash. Make sure you ask for Ash, and I am the owner. So if you're reaching out to ask about something in the future, something specific you're looking for, ask for me. Happy to help.